Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about some of the basics needed for probability. So first, as you can see, I have, what do you call this? This is called a dice. In this one you have 6 faces, right? So as you can see here, number 2, 1, 4, 3. Okay, so it has 6 faces. Now let's roll it. I'm just playing. So rolling this is called experiment. What do we call it? Experiment. While doing the experiment, I got on the top number 6. So this is called outcome. What do we call it? Outcome. Right. Now, let's say this is your coin. What say it's a coin? Now in this coin you have, this is your head and this is your tail. Okay. Now let's just flip it. Okay. Oops. Let's do this again. Experiment failed. Okay, now this is called experiment. Tossing a coin is experiment. After doing this experiment, I got head, and this is called outcome. So head is the outcome. Now as you can see here how many outcome possible? So one is tail, one is head. So only 2 possible outcomes, right? So the sample space for this is, sample space, I don't know if you can see this, I will show you. Sample space will be head and tail. So for this, sample space will be head and tail. For a coin, this is for a coin. And what about a dice? For dice, the sample space will be, how many faces does it have? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is for a dice. Okay, now this is your sample space for a dice and a coin. You know now individually. What about if I do experiment when you have 2 coins? So what I will do, first I will flip 1 coin, okay? So I got a tail in this case. Second, again I flip, and here also I got a tail. So here you see that one combination is tail and tail. Similarly, if you do this, repeat again and again, you will get combination of head and tail. So how many possible combinations? So for 1 coin you have 2 sample space, right? Head and tail. Similarly here, head and tail. So 2 multiply 2 will give you 4 possible combinations. So how many possible combinations? You have 4 possible combinations. Now let's take 2 dice, right? So first I roll this, I got 3. Second I roll this, I got 6. Now in this case, one combination is 3 and 6. So similarly, if I repeat here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the sample space for this is 6. Sample space for this one is also 6. 6 multiplied 6 will be how much? You will get 36. So 36 will be your sample space when you do the experiment of 2 dice, right? Now similarly, let's do a multi-stage experiment. In a multi-stage experiment, let's say you have 2 dice, 1 coin. So what I'm doing, first I am rolling a dice. I got number 5. Then I'm flipping a coin. Okay, got a head. Then I'm rolling a dice. Got number 2. So here the combination is 5, head and tail. How many possible combination possible? In this case, you have 6 possible outcomes. So I will write 6. For a coin, 2 possible outcomes because sample space for a coin is 2. Now for again a dice, 6. So what you will have now? You will have, I don't know if you can see this. Yes. I think it's showing opposite. I don't know. Okay, this is showing opposite. Probably this way it is. Okay, so anyway, 6 multiply 2 multiply 6. That you can do. Like this is just normal math, not a difficult one. So 6 multiply 2 multiply 6. Then you will get how much? 6 multiplied 2 is 12. 12 multiplied 6 will give you 72, right? So 72 is your total sample space for these three. Now if you make a combination head, I mean 1 head, 2 head, 3, so this is how you will get 72. So it's not possible to write all of them together. This is called fundamental counting principle of probability. Similarly, let's say if you have 3 dice, so the sample space of one dice is 6, sample space of second 6, sample space of third 6. So 6 multiply 6 multiply 6, you will get 216. Yeah, I guess 216, because 6 multiply 6. Let me just check. Okay, now I'm getting confused. Yeah, 216. Okay, so that will be the sample space for 3 dice. Now I've discussed, I think, for 2 coins. So yeah, that's it. Now if I want to draw a tree diagram, how will I draw? So what do I have to do for that? First of all, first experiment is a coin. Let's take a combination of a die and a coin. If I want to draw the tree diagram for this, how will I do this? First, I will roll a dice. So how many possible combination? 1. Okay, this is not visible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? This is your experiment number 1. Experiment number 2, a coin, head and tail. So after 1, you can get either head or you can get tail. Right? If you get 2, then again you can get head or tail. Similarly for all this, so this is head and tail, like this. So this will be your tree diagram for 2-stage experiment. Similarly, you can draw the tree diagram for multi-stage experiment. That's not a problem. So I think that will help you to understand the basics of sample space, outcome, and experiment. So that's it about this video, and I'll see you in the next video on a PowerPoint where I will clearly show you how we can multiply the sample space and everything. So that was a practical demonstration, so it will help you to understand like what is a dice, how to do the experiment, what is the outcome. So yeah, that's all about it. See you in the next video. Bye.